Looking for the best fruits to strengthen your immune system? I'm revealing 15 powerful fruits backed by science that can protect you from infections, reduce inflammation, and keep you healthy year-round. Stick around till the end for the most potent fruit almost everyone misses, and tips on how to get the most from each one. Fruit number 1, blackberries. Let's start with one of nature's most powerful antioxidant bombs, blackberries. These dark purple gems aren't just delicious, they're scientifically proven immune boosters. Blackberries contain unique natural plant chemicals called phytonutrients, specifically polyphenols and flavonoids, that have been shown to improve muscle recovery, enhance memory, and reduce the risk of cancers. What makes blackberries special is their incredible antioxidant power. In fact, berries have 10 times more antioxidant power than other fruits and vegetables, and 50 times more than any animal-based foods. These antioxidants work like tiny soldiers in your body, protecting your cells from damage and reducing inflammation, especially in your liver. The rich, dark color is actually a sign of these powerful compounds at work. You can enjoy blackberries fresh or frozen. Both are equally beneficial. Just one serving can improve your body's ability to fight diseases and help your immune system function at its peak. Fruit number 2, blueberries. If you can't find blackberries, blueberries are your next best choice. These little blue powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. What's remarkable about blueberries is their ability to improve your respiratory tract's immune defense system. That's your first line of defense against airborne pathogens. Blueberries have been shown to be excellent for heart health, cancer prevention, and they may even help lower blood pressure. The antioxidants in blueberries specifically target inflammation in your body, which is often the root cause of many illnesses. When your inflammation levels are low, your immune system can focus on fighting real threats instead of being constantly overwhelmed. By the way, please support our channel by clicking subscribe. Fruit number 3, red grapes. Here's something fascinating about red grapes. Ancient civilizations knew about their healing properties thousands of years ago. They dried them as raisins and fermented them. But here's the key. You want to eat them fresh to get the maximum immune benefits. Red, purple, or black grapes contain powerful compounds that help fight inflammation, ward off cell damage, and may lower the incidence of cancers and chronic diseases. That beautiful dark color you see, those are the same antioxidants working to protect your cells and boost your immune system. One important note, while red wine contains some of these compounds, the alcohol actually erases the beneficial properties. So stick to fresh grapes for the real immune-boosting power. Fruit number 4, elderberries. Now here's a fruit with a fascinating history and incredible immune benefits, elderberries. These have been specifically shown to prevent and reduce symptoms of respiratory infections. In the Middle Ages, elderberry trees were believed to protect people from evil spirits, and modern science has proven they do have almost magical immune-boosting properties. However, there's an important safety note. You cannot eat elderberries raw or unripe, as they can be toxic. You need to consume them ripened and cooked, usually as teas or syrups. When properly prepared, elderberries are incredibly effective at fighting respiratory infections and boosting your overall immunity. Fruit number 5, citrus fruits, oranges. Let's talk about the classic immune booster, citrus fruits, starting with oranges. Most people know vitamin C is good for immunity, but here's what's actually happening in your body. Vitamin C helps make white blood cells, which are your body's primary defense against infections. Oranges and other citrus fruits don't just provide vitamin C, they help your immune system produce antibodies. Think of antibodies as bounty hunters in your body, scanning and identifying bad guys like viruses and bacteria, then tagging them so your immune system knows what to attack. Without enough vitamin C, this crucial identification process gets weakened. The key with vitamin C is consistency. Your body doesn't store it, so you need to consume it daily to maintain strong immune function. Fruit number 6, grapefruits. Grapefruits deserve their own spotlight because they're particularly rich in vitamin C and contain unique compounds that support liver health. Your liver plays a crucial role in immune function by filtering toxins from your blood, and grapefruit helps keep this vital organ functioning optimally. The bitter compounds in grapefruit also have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce the kind of chronic inflammation that can weaken your immune system over time. Fruit number 7, lemons. Lemons are vitamin C powerhouses that are incredibly versatile. You can add lemon juice to water, use it in cooking, or even add lemon zest to dishes. Beyond vitamin C, lemons contain citrus flavonoids that have been shown to have antimicrobial properties. Starting your day with warm lemon water isn't just trendy. It actually helps support your immune system and aids in detoxification, giving your body a clean slate to fight off any potential threats. Fruit number 8, limes. Limes offer similar benefits to lemons, but with their own unique profile of immune-supporting compounds. They're particularly rich in flavonoids and have natural antimicrobial properties that can help your body fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. Fruit number 9, tangerines. Tangerines and other small citrus fruits are perfect for snacking and provide concentrated doses of vitamin C, along with other immune-supporting nutrients like folate and potassium. Their portable size makes them ideal for maintaining consistent vitamin C intake throughout the day. Fruit number 10, papaya. Here's where things get really interesting. Papaya is absolutely loaded with immune-boosting nutrients. One single papaya contains 224% of the daily recommended vitamin C intake. But that's not all. Papaya contains a unique enzyme called papain, which has anti-inflammatory properties and helps with digestion. Papaya also provides potassium, B vitamins, folate, and beta-carotene, which all work together to support immune function. The combination of high vitamin C content and anti-inflammatory compounds makes papaya one of the most powerful immune-supporting fruits you can eat. Fruit number 11, strawberries. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C, manganese, potassium, and folate, a powerful combination for immune health. What makes strawberries special is their high concentration of anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their red color. These anthocyanins have been shown to reduce inflammation and support heart health, which indirectly supports immune function. Strawberries are also excellent for blood sugar control, which is important because high blood sugar can suppress immune function. Fruit number 12, apples. There's truth to the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are rich in antioxidants, phytonutrients, fiber, and vitamin C. The pectin fiber in apples supports gut health, and since about 70% of your immune system is located in your gut, a healthy digestive system directly translates to stronger immunity. Apples may help prevent cancer, diabetes, and fight asthma, all conditions that can compromise immune function. Fruit number 13, bananas. Bananas might not be the first fruit you think of for immune support, but they're incredibly valuable. They're rich in vitamin B6, which is crucial for immune system function. Vitamin B6 helps in the formation of white blood cells and antibodies that fight infection. Bananas also provide potassium and magnesium, which support overall health and help your body manage stress. And chronic stress is one of the biggest immune system suppressors. Fruit number 14, red bell peppers. Wait, are bell peppers fruits? Botanically speaking, yes. And red bell peppers deserve a spot on this list because they contain twice the amount of vitamin C as citrus fruits. They're also loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, another crucial immune-supporting nutrient. Vitamin A helps your immune system coordinate attacks against pathogens and is essential for maintaining the health of your respiratory tract, your first line of defense against airborne infections. Fruit number 15, tomatoes. Our final fruit is the tomato, another botanical fruit that most people think of as a vegetable. Tomatoes are incredibly rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their red color. Lycopene has been shown to boost immune function and may help prevent certain types of cancer. Tomatoes also provide vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and folate. What's interesting about tomatoes is that cooking them actually increases the bioavailability of lycopene, so both raw and cooked tomatoes offer immune benefits. Now that you know the top 15 immune-boosting fruits, let me share some practical tips to maximize their benefits. First, Variety is key. Don't just stick to one or two fruits. Rotate through different options to get a wide range of immune-supporting compounds. Second, fresh is usually best, but frozen fruits retain most of their nutritional value and can be more convenient and affordable. Third, if you're concerned about pesticides, remember that eating conventionally grown fruits is still better than not eating fruits at all. You can reduce pesticide residue by rinsing fruits under running water, which removes about 50% of residues. For even better results, wash with a 5% white vinegar solution. Fourth, timing matters. Since vitamin C isn't stored in your body, try to include vitamin C-rich fruits throughout the day, rather than all at once. Finally, remember that these fruits work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes adequate sleep, regular exercise, stress management, and a balanced diet. There you have it, the 15 most powerful fruits for strengthening your immune system. From the antioxidant powerhouse blackberries to the vitamin C-packed papaya, each of these fruits offers unique compounds that help your body fight off infections and stay healthy. The key is consistency. Make these fruits a regular part of your daily routine, and your immune system will thank you. Remember, there's no single magic bullet for perfect health, but these natural immune boosters can be powerful allies in keeping you feeling your best. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We upload a new video every Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.